Hello, this is John of Art, and it's a laid-back Saturday once again. Jaja, come here. Come here, Jaja. Dali, di Jaja. Dali, 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 dali. This is how you call a dog in Ilonggo. Okay, Jaja wants to join. Pipo, you want to join? Pipo, come here. Pipo. I have another dog. His name is Pipo, and he also wants to join us. Come here, Pipo. Pipo. Okay, bye, Pipo. Rest day Saturday. To some people, it's the Sabbath rest. Consider it as your rest day. So here we are. Pahuway is the word of the day. What is pahuway? It means to rest. So if you're busy and you need to take a break, you can say pahuway anay. Okay. You must have heard of the word anay a lot of times. Anay, although it also means termite, but as an expression, anay is, it closely means a bit, like take a rest a bit, or for now, or for a while, or pause for a while. Untat anay, kaon anay, let's eat first before doing anything else. So that's what anay means. Dali lang. Dali lang means wait a minute, or in a bit, in a while. Dali lang. Although it means, dali means like come here, or faster lang. Only, faster only literally, but it really means in a while, in a bit. Janay! When I was small, I used to pronounce it Janay and spelled with a J until I understood what it really meant. It's short for hindi anay, or not yet, or not for now. So if you're not yet ready to do anything, so not yet, hindi anay. And it's been slurred into Janay. The opposite of Janay is June. I used to spell it with a J, like June, the month of June. But actually, it's the slurred form of DYUN. June is go, go, go. All systems go. DYUN DYANAY. Let's go for it. When we were children, we used to say, DYUN DYANAY UBOS TINAPAY. Ubos means to devour everything. And tinapay means bread. So, DYUN, go. Janay, not yet. Ubos. Ubosing my lunch. That's what Jaja was planning to do with my lunch here. Pipo, come here. There's Pipo now. Pipo, Pipo, come here. Come here. Dali, dali, dali. Pipo, 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 Pipo. This is Joan of Art, and that was Pipo, and also Jaja. See you next time, next week, here at my little hideaway. Palanaguan. Hideaway means palanaguan. The root word is tago, or hide. Pala, if you add the prefix pala to the verb tago, pala, and it becomes TA, becomes NA for whatever reason. Palanaguan. An is also a place, and pala is to do, to make, hide in that place. An. That's complicated enough. Palahuwayan. Pala. Pahuway is the root word for rest. So that place for rest is palahuwayan. Pala. To do this resting at this place. An. So I hope you learned something new again today. Until our next video. Bye bye for now.